I came to check on my 3 little eggs. You can tell these are the first 2 that were pipped. Neither has made much progress, but the egg that was not pipped at all, I literally just watched this little guy hatch and could not get my camera up before he shoved the top of the egg off his head. But you can see how sometimes they talk to each other, and it actually encourages the chick still in the egg to go ahead and try to get out. And you can see this little guy here. You can actually see his beak move, or you can see movement. There he is, see him? He will be out before you know it. And this little guy may be shrink wrapped since he's not been under his mother for several hours. He's just about kicked himself out of the whole shell. That's just so awesome when you get to see them hatch. Oh, see, that's giving this little guy some encouragement. I've seen him wiggling. Come on, little guy.